Hi students, welcome to NSR IIT and NEET Academy. This is the 7th session of integration for senior inter students. So in this session also we are going to solve some 2 marks questions. So our next question is question number 96. So integration x square into exp of m into sin inverse x by under root of 1 minus x square into dx. So exp means exponential function, we can write e power. So x square into e power m into sin inverse x by under root of 1 minus x square into dx. Now let us consider, let sin inverse x is equal to t. Sin inverse x equal to t, now we get x is equal to sin t. Consider it as equation number 1. Equation 1, both side differentiate with respect to x. Now sin inverse x differentiation, 1 by under root of 1 minus x square equal to dt by dx. So 1 by under root of 1 minus x square into dx is equal to dt. So sin inverse x is equal to t, x equal to, we get sin t. So equation 1, both side differentiate with respect to x, we get 1 by under root of 1 minus x square equal to dt by dx. Now 1 by under root of 1 minus x square into dx is equal to dt. So apply here. X value sin t, in place of x right substitute sin t, we get sin square t into e power mt. 1 by under root of 1 minus x square into dx value dt. Now we don't have a formula, sin square t we can write as 1 minus cos 2t by 2 into e power mt into dt. Now 1 by 2 right outside, we get 1 into e power mt minus cos 2t into e power mt of dt. Now 1 by 2 into, so apply integration both the functions, e power mt into dt minus e power mt into cos 2t into dt. So we are apply integration both the functions, so we get integration e power mt dt minus integration e power mt cos 2t dt. Now second one, apply the formula e power ax cos bx, e power ax cos bx. So first one is integration e power mt, we get e power mt by m, e power mt, again differentiate it, we get m. Next e power ax cos bx, first e power ax by a square plus b square into a cos bx means m cos 2t plus a cos bx plus b sin bx means 2 sin 2t plus c. So in place of t substitute sin inverse x, we get e power m sin inverse x by m, e power m into sin inverse x by m square plus 4 into m into cos 2 sin inverse t plus 2 sin 2 of sin inverse t. So plus c. So this is our answer. So 1 by 2 e power m into sin inverse x by m minus e power m sin inverse x by m square plus 4 into m cos 2 of, in place of t substitute sin inverse t plus 2 into sin of sin inverse t plus c. Right, next question number 97, integration x power n into log x dx. So here x power n is algebraic function and log x is logarithmic function. So first in our code logarithmic function, so we can write log x into x power n into dx. Integration log x into x power n into dx. So apply u into v formula. So log x into integration x power n dx minus of integration d by dx of log x integration x power n dx whole dx. Now integration x power n, integration x power n equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 and d by dx of log x is 1 by x. So write log x into x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus d by dx of log x 1 by x and here x by n plus 1 again into dx. So now it's a second integration 1 by x into x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So x power n plus 1 we can write as x power n into x. So here log x into plus 1 x power n into x by to dx. So x get cancelled, log x into x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus, so 1 by n plus 1 we can write outside, again we get integration x power n. So again integration x power n value is x power n plus 1, so we can write log x into n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So in both terms we have a common term x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, take it as common, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 we get log x minus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So integration x power n into log x dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 into log x minus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Next question number 98, integration cos of root x into dx. So here we have cos of root x, so first this x changes into t and first we apply substitution method. Let us consider, let root x is equal to t. So squaring on both sides we get x is equal to t square. Now both sides differentiate with respect to x. So x differentiation 1, t square differentiation 2t into dt by dx. Now dx equal to 2t into dt. Now integration of terms in x, it is changes into integration in terms of t. Now in place of root x substitute t and in place of dx substitute 2t dt, we get cos t into 2t dt. Right, 2 right outside we get cos t into dt. So t is algebraic function, cos t trigonometric function. So in our Euler formula, first algebraic, next trigonometric function. So we can write 2 into integration t into cos t dt. Now 2 into, apply here u into v formula, t integration cos t dt minus integration, here in terms of t we can write d by dt of t integration cos t dt whole dt. So t into cos t into dt, so the integration in terms of t, so that's why we can write as an integration d by dt of t. D by dt of t is 1. Now 2 into integration cos t sin t, so d by dt of t 1, integration cos t sin t dt. Now 2 into t sin t, integration sin t minus cos t, so plus c. So in place of t substitute root x sin root x minus into minus plus cos root x plus c. So integration cos root x dx equal to 2 into root x sin root x plus cos root x plus c. So next question number 99, integration e power root x dx. So here also root x, e power root x there. So here also let us consider root x is equal to t. Now squaring on both sides x is equal to t square. Now both sides differentiate with respect to x. So x differentiation 1, t square differentiation 2t into dt by dx. Now dx equal to 2t into dt. Now in place of root x substitute t. In place of dx substitute 2t into dt. Now x terms changes into t. Now integration e power t into 2t dt. Now 2 right outside, we get e power t into t dt. So e power t is exponential, this is algebraic function. So first write t, next write e power t dt. Now here apply u into v formula, t integration e power dt minus integration d by dt of t integration e power t dt whole dt. Next 2 into integration e power t d by dt of t1 integration e power t into dt. Now 2 into t into e power t minus e power t plus c. So e power t, take it as common, we get t minus 1 plus c. Now 2 into e power root x into root x minus 1 plus c. So in place of t substitute root x. So integration e power root x dx equal to 2 into e power root x into root x minus 1 plus c. Right, next question number 100. So integration log x whole square into dx. Log x whole square into dx. So we can write log x whole square into 1 into dx. So this is logarithmic function and 1 is algebraic function. So apply the formula u into v log x square integration 1 into dx minus d by dx of log x whole square 1 into dx whole dx. So now integration 1 is x and integration d by dx of log x square. First x power n, here log x square, first apply x power n. So log x whole square integration 1 into dx x. So differentiate log x square, first x power n into log x power 2 minus 1 into again differentiate inner function d by dx of log x 1 by x integration 1 into dx x into dx. Now x get cancel, x into log x whole square 2 right outside, we get integration log x into dx. So x into log x whole square minus integration of log x log x minus x. Integration of log x formula x log x minus x. So this is 100. Next 101. So integration tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square into dx. Tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square into dx. Now first here apply substitution in place of x, substitute tan theta. So let x is equal to tan theta. Now theta equal to here tan inverse x. This is equation number 1. Both side equation 1 differentiate with respect to x. Now x differentiation 1 tan theta differentiation secant square theta into d theta by dx. Now dx is equal to secant square theta into d theta. Now integration tan inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta into dx value secant square theta d theta. Now equal to integration tan inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta equal to tan 2 theta. So here we can write tan 2 theta into secant square theta d theta. Tan inverse get cancelled, 2 right outside, we get theta into secant square theta into d theta. So theta is algebraic, secant square theta is trigonometric function. So in our ILET code, so first algebra, next trigonometry. So our order is correct. Now apply u into v formula. Theta into integration secant square theta d theta integration here with respect to d theta. So we can write d by d theta of theta integration secant square theta d theta whole d theta. Now 2 into integration secant square theta tan theta d by d theta of theta 1 integration secant square theta tan theta into d theta. Now 2 into theta into tan theta minus integration of tan theta log mod secant theta plus c. Now in place of theta substitute tan inverse x in place of theta, right? So tan inverse x into tan of tan in place of tan theta, write x. So tan inverse x into x minus log of secant of tan inverse x plus c. So in place of theta substitute tan inverse x and in place of tan theta substitute x. So we get 2 into tan inverse x into x minus log of mod secant tan inverse x plus c. Next question number 102. Integration tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square into dx. 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square into dx. Let x is equal to tan theta. Now theta equal to tan inverse x. Now equation 1, both sides differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x, we get 1 is equal to secant square theta into d theta. D theta by dx. So now dx is equal to secant square theta d theta. Let apply here integration tan inverse of 3 tan theta minus x cube means tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta into dx. In place of dx write secant square theta into d theta. Now integration tan inverse x, tan inverse of 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. This is tan 3 theta formula. Tan into secant square theta d theta. So tan 3 theta formula 3 tan theta by 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Now tan inverse get cancelled. Now we get integration. So 3 right outside, theta into secant square theta d theta. Now apply u into v formula. So theta integration secant square theta d theta integration d by d theta of theta integration secant square theta d theta whole d theta. Now 3 into integration secant square theta we get tan theta minus in d by d theta of theta 1 into integration secant square theta tan theta into d theta. Now 3 into theta into tan theta minus integration of tan theta log mod secant theta plus c, right. X is equal to tan theta, then theta equal to tan inverse x. Now in place of tan theta substitute x, in place of theta write tan inverse x. So we get 3 into tan inverse x into x minus log of secant of tan inverse x plus c. So this is our answer, right. Next question number 103, integration tan inverse of under root of 1 minus x by 1 plus x into dx. Now let x is equal to cos t, now theta equal to cos inverse x. Now equation 1 both side differentiate with respect to x. Now x differentiation 1 cos theta, differentiation of cos theta minus sin theta into d theta by dx. Now dx is equal to minus sin theta into d theta. So x is equal to, consider cos theta, now theta equal to cos inverse x, so both side differentiation we get dx. Now integration tan inverse under root of 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta into minus sin theta d theta. Now integration tan inverse x under root of 1 minus cos theta 2 sin square theta by 2 by 2 cos square theta by 2 into minus sin theta into d theta. So 2 get cancel, integration tan inverse sin square by cos square tan square theta by 2 minus sin theta into d theta. Now square root get cancel, integration tan inverse of tan theta by 2 minus sin theta into d theta. Now get tan inverse get cancel. So we get theta by 2 into minus sin theta d theta. So 1 by 2 right outside, we get integration minus also right outside. So theta into sin theta d theta. So theta is algebraic function and sin theta is trigonometric function. So apply u into v formula. So we get minus 1 by 2 into theta integration sin theta d theta minus d by d theta of theta sin theta d theta whole d theta. Now minus 1 by 2 into integration of sin theta minus cos theta minus d by d theta of theta 1 integration sin x minus cos x. So sin t minus cos theta into d theta. So minus 1 by 2 into minus cos theta into theta minus into minus plus integration cos theta d theta. So minus 1 by 2 into minus cos theta into theta plus integration cos theta sin theta plus c. Now minus 1 by 2 into minus cos theta is x. So minus x into cos inverse x plus sin of cos inverse x plus c. So in place of theta write cos inverse x, in place of cos theta write x. So we get minus 1 by 2 into minus x into cos inverse x plus sin of cos inverse x plus c. So minus multiply here, so we get 1 by 2 into minus plus. So x into cos inverse x minus sin of cos inverse x plus c. So this is our answer. Next question number 104, integration cos of log x into dx. Now let log x is equal to t. Now x is equal to log, move this side, it become e power t. Now take it as equation number 1. Equation 1, both side differentiate with respect to x. Equation 1, both side differentiate with respect to x. We get log x differentiation x. Now dt by dx. Dx is equal to, equal is there, cross multiply here, dx is equal to x into dt. So x also changes into t, we get e power t into dt. Now dx is equal to e power t into d. Now cos of t, so log x value t, dx equal to e power t dt. So in place of log x substitute t, in place of dx substitute e power t dt. Now it becomes e power ax cos bx. E power ax into cos bx. So e power ax by a square plus b square, a and b both values are 1. Now a cos bx plus b sin bx, cos t plus sin t plus c. So e power t by 1 square 1 plus 1 square 1 plus 1 2, cos t plus sin t plus c. So in place of t substitute cos x, in place of e power t substitute x. So we get x by 2 into cos of log x plus sin of log x plus c. So integration cos of log x dx is equal to x by 2 cos log x plus sin of log x plus c. Next question number 105. Integration 1 by under root of x square plus 2x plus 10 into dx. Now first simplify here, x square plus 2x plus 10 is equal to, so simplify here only, right. X square plus 2x plus 10 is equal to x square plus 2x, 10 we can write as 1 plus 9. So x square plus 2x plus 1 become x plus 1 whole square plus 9 become 3 square. Now integration 1 by x square plus 2x plus 10 into dx become 1 by under root of x plus 1 whole square plus 3 square into dx. Now integration 1 by under root of x square plus a square sin h inverse x by a. So sin h inverse x plus 1 by 3. So x value in place of x, x plus 1, in place of a we have 3. So formula is sin h inverse x by a plus c. So sin h inverse x plus 1 by 3 plus c. So next question, integration 1 by under root of 2x minus 3x square plus 1 into dx. So first simplify inside the root value. So 2x minus 3x square plus 1. So we can write as minus 3x square plus 2x plus 1. So first make it x square coefficient 1. So minus 3, take it as common, minus 3, we get x square minus 2 by 3 into x minus 1 by 3. Now minus 3 into x square minus 2 by 3 into x we can write as 2 into 1 by 3 into x minus 1 by 3. So first one, x square minus 2 into 1 by 3 into x, it is in the form of x square minus 2ab form. So we don't have b value, so consider are adding and subtracting 1 by 3 whole square. 1 by 3 square, add and subtract, we get a minus b whole square form. So minus 3 into x square minus 2 into 1 by 3 into x plus, so here 1 by 3 is there, add and subtract 1 by 3 whole square minus 1 by 3. So a square plus b square minus 2ab, so we can write as minus 3 into x minus 1 by 3 whole square. Now 1 by 3 whole square become minus 1 by 9 and minus 1 by 3. So minus 3 into x minus 1 by 3 whole square minus, here LCM 9, so minus 3 minus 1 by 9. So it become minus 4 by 9, minus 3 into x minus 1 by 3 whole square minus 4 by 9. So minus multiply inside, the values become reverse, so we get 4 by 9 minus x minus 1 by 3 whole square. So we get 3 into, so minus multiply inside, we get 4 by 9 minus x minus 1 by 3 whole square. So this is 2x minus 3x square plus 1 value. Substituting this integration, so 1 by 2x minus 3x square plus 1 into dx is equal to 1 by under root of 3 into 4 by 9 minus x minus 1 by 3 whole square into dx. Now 3 right outside, we get 1 by root 3 into 1 by under root of 4 by 9, we can write as 2 by 3 whole square minus x minus 1 by 3 whole square into dx. Now integration 1 by under root of a square minus x square. 1 by under root of a square minus x square. So a square minus x square equal to, formula is sine inverse x by a, means x minus 1 by 3 by 2 by 3 plus c. Now we get 1 by root 3 into sine inverse of, so 3 into x, 3x minus 1 by 3, here 2 by 3, 3 get cancel. So we get 1 by root 3 into sine inverse of 3x minus 1 by 2 plus c. So next question, integration x minus 1 by x minus 2 into x minus 3 into dx. So this is the form of partial fractions. So we have one chapter in 2a, that is partial fraction. By using that partial fraction, simplify this one. So let us consider x minus 1 by x minus 2 into x minus 3 equal to, so we have two roots, write a by x minus 2 plus b by x minus 3. So this is equation number 1. Now x minus 1 by x minus 2 into x minus 3 equal to a into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 2 by x minus 2 into x minus 3. So x minus 2 into x minus 3 get cancelled. So we get x minus 1 is equal to a into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 2. Take it as equation number 2. So in equation number 2, in place of x substitute x is equal to 2, we get a value, and in place of x substitute 3, we get x b value. So first let x is equal to 2, substitute x equal to 2 in equation 2. So in place of x substitute 2, 2 minus 2 get 0, so b value 0 here. 2 minus 1 equal to a into 2 minus 3. So 2 minus 1 value 1, 2 minus 3 minus 1, so minus a. So a equal to minus 1. Similarly, substitute x equal to 3 in equation 2, x equal to 3 in equation 2, we get 3 minus 1 is equal to, so 3 minus 3 get 0. So a value 0, now b into 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 1 2, 3 minus 2 1, so b value equal to 2. So here we get a value and b value, a value minus 1 and b value 2. A value minus 1 and b value 2. So a and b values substitute in equation 1. A comma b values substitute in equation 1. So a comma b value substitute in equation 1, we get x minus 1 by x minus 2 into x minus 3 equal to, so a value minus 1, so we get minus 1 by x minus 2 plus b by x minus 3. So this is equation number 3. So x minus 1 by x minus 2 into x minus 3, we get minus 1 by x minus 2 plus 2 by x minus 3. So equation 3 substitute in our question. So we get integration x minus 1 by x minus 2 into x minus 3 into dx equal to integration minus 1 by x minus 2, 2 by x minus 3 into dx. Now apply integration both the functions, we get integration minus 1 by x minus 2 dx, 1 by x minus 3 into dx. Now 1 by x is log x, so minus log mod x minus 2 plus 2 into log mod x minus 3. Now 2 moves that side, become log of x minus 3 whole square minus log mod x minus 2 plus c. Now log a minus log b, log a minus log b, log a by b. So x minus 3 whole square by x minus 2 plus c. So integration of x minus 1 by x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to log of mod x minus 3 by x minus 2 plus c. So this is our answer. So once again I repeat here. So here integration apply both the functions, we get 1 by x minus 2, this is 1 by x. So integration 1 by x log x. Here also 2 write outside, 1 by x log x. So write first this term, 2 move this side, log x power n minus log x. So log a minus log b, log a by b plus c. Right, next question number 108, integration 1 by 1 plus x into x plus 2 dx. So here also apply partial fractions. So you can write as x plus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2. Take it as equation number 1. So 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2. So x plus 1 x plus 2 get cancelled, 1 is equal to a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1, equation number 2. So in equation 2, in place of x substitute minus 1, we get a value. In place of x substitute minus 2, we get b value. Now in equation 2, substitute x equal to minus 1, so 1 is equal to a into minus 1 plus 2, so b becomes 0, minus 1 plus 2 1, so 1 into a, so a equal to 1. So similarly equation 2, substitute x equal to minus 2, so substitute x equal to minus 2 plus 2, a becomes 0, 1 is equal to b into minus 2 plus 1, minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, minus 1 into b minus b equal to 1, so b equal to minus 1. So a value 1 and b value minus 1, so a comma b values substitute in equation 1. So a comma b values substitute in equation 1, so we get 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2 equal to, so a value 1, 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 2. So take it as equation number 3. Now equation 3 substitute in our question. So integration 1 by 1 plus x plus 2 into dx equal to integration 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 2 into dx. Now integration apply both the functions, we get x plus 1 dx 1 by x plus 2 into dx. So this one 1 by x log x, here also log x. So log a minus log b log a by b. So x plus 1 by x plus 2 plus c. So integration 1 by 1 plus x into x plus 2 dx equal to log mod x plus 1 by x plus 2 plus c. Right, next question, integration x power 6 minus 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. So here numerator power 6 and denominator power 2. So this type of partial fractions. So suppose this is f of x and g of x. First f of x divide with g of x. So first simplify that one. So x power 6 minus 1 divide with x square plus 1. So f of x power is 6 and g of x power 2. Now f of x divide with g of x. So x power 6 there, here x square, so multiply x power 4 into x square, x power 6, x power 4 into 1 plus x power 4. So change the sign here, so minus minus x power 6 minus x power 6 get cancelled, so we get minus x power 4 minus 1. Now here x square is there, here minus x power 4, so multiply with minus x square. Minus x square into x square minus x power 4 minus x square into 1 minus x square. Again change the signs. So we get cancel minus x power 4 plus x power 4. So we get x square here plus x square and minus 1. So x square is there, here also x square multiply with 1. So we get x square plus 1. Again change the sign. So we get minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. So this is f of x and this is g of x. So this is a coefficient q of x, this is remainder r of x. Then f of x by g of x is equal to q of x plus r of x by g of x. So this formula we are using, if f of x power is greater than g of x power, f of x power is greater than g of x power, then f of x divide with g of x, then after we get coefficient and remainder, we can write the formula f of x by g of x equal to q of x plus r of x by g of x. Now x power 6 minus 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. So this is f of x by g of become q of x plus r of x by g of x. Q of x means x power 4 minus x square plus 1 plus r of x value minus 2 by g of x value 1 plus x square into dx. Now apply integration both all the functions. So x power 4 dx minus x square into dx plus 1 into dx minus 2 into integration 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. Now apply the formula integration x power 4, x power 5 by 5, here x cube by 3, here x minus 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square tan inverse x plus c. So f of x power is greater than g of x, so we are using this formula. So this is very important problem. So next question, integration x square plus 1 by x power 4 plus 1 into dx. So first simplify here. So here highest power of x is x square, take it as common x square, we get 1 plus 1 by x square. So here also x power 4 is there, take it as common x square, we get x square plus 1 by x square into dx. So both numerator and denominator take it as common x square. So x square get cancel. Integration 1 plus 1 by x square by x square plus 1 by x square we can write as x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2. Simplify this one. A minus b whole square. A minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. 2 into x into 1 by x we get minus 2. So add this plus 2, cancel, we get same the value. So here plus is there, we can write in minus terms. If it is minus is there, we can write in here plus and here write minus. So 1 plus 1 by x square is the numerator. So that's why in denominator we can write it as x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2. Now differentiate this x minus 1 by x, we get 1 by 1 plus 1 by x square. So let us consider, let x minus 1 by x equal to t. Now both sides differentiate with respect to x. Both sides differentiate with respect to x, we get x differentiation 1 minus 1 by x differentiation minus 1 by x square equal to dt by dx. So 1 plus 1 by x square minus into minus plus into dx equal to dt. Now integration value. 1 plus 1 by x square into dx become dt. Now we get 1 by x minus 1 by x t square plus 2 into dt. Now integration 1 by t square plus 2 we can write as root 2 square into dt. Now integration 1 by x square plus a square, 1 by x square plus a square. So x square plus a square means this is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So apply the formula here, 1 by a tan inverse x means t by root 2 plus c. So 1 by root 2 into tan inverse of, in place of t write x minus 1 by x by root 2 plus c. So if you simplify this one, 1 by root 2 tan inverse of x into x square minus 1 by root 2x plus c. So integration x square plus 1 by x power 4 plus 1 into dx, we get 1 by root 2 tan inverse x square minus 1 by root 2x plus c. So this is our final question. So today's session is completed. If you have any doubt, call my number. I will clarify your doubts. Take care. Bye bye.